Introducing the BUNN 52700 CSB2G Speed Brew Elite Coffee Maker Gray. This sleek and stylish coffee maker is designed and assembled in the USA, ensuring quality and durability. One of the standout features of the BUNN Speed Brew is its unique brewing system. It uses an internal commercial-grade stainless steel hot water tank that keeps 70 ounces of water always hot, allowing you to quickly brew coffee at the flip of a lid. No need to wait for the water to heat up. Pouring water into the coffee maker is effortless, thanks to the pour-in bowl with a water level indicator. This allows you to easily see how much water has been added, ensuring the perfect brew every time. With its matte gray finish and black gloss accents, the BUNN Speed Brew adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. The high-polished stainless steel backsplash and top band accent further enhance its sophisticated design. The exclusive drip-free carafe is a game-changer. Its proprietary lid and spout design arcs the coffee into the cup, eliminating messy spills. Plus, it wicks the remaining coffee back into the carafe, ensuring a clean and hassle-free pour. To keep your coffee at the optimal serving temperature, the BUNN Speed Brew features a switch-activated warmer plate. Say goodbye to lukewarm coffee. But what truly sets the BUNN Speed Brew apart is its speed. It is the fastest 10-cup home coffee maker on the market, brewing a full carafe of coffee in just 4 minutes. That's half the time of typical coffee makers. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the BUNN Speed Brew. So why wait? Upgrade your coffee brewing experience with the BUNN 52700 CSB2G Speed Brew Elite Coffee Maker Gray. Click the link in the description to get yours today.